War in the Caribbean Sea, my people. More jug boats are being bombed by Donald Trump in the Caribbean Sea, my people. Is this legal or is it illegal, my people? Tried and convicted upon the jug boat in the Caribbean Sea, mighty God of Daniel, my people. What is going on? Is this legal? No, people. I am not here to defend drug traffickers. And I'm not definitely here to attack the United States of America. Drug trafficking is a dangerous problem, people. It destroys community, fuels violence, and creates problems across the Caribbean, Latin America, and the United States of America. But when I hear about suspected drug boats being bombed, naturally, we all have questions to ask. What happened to search, arrest, and conviction? Are those days over? Should fishermen be concerned with what is going on in the Caribbean Sea? My people, I go by the name Yard Boss. As you watch this video right here, some people, please like the video. And if this is your first time seeing me on your screen, my people, can you kindly subscribe to the Yard Boss TV channel, my people? This is one blogger right here that is going to bring you hardcore truth and facts. Should our fishermen in Jamaica be afraid? Them better be careful, you know. Them better make sure, say, when them a go out, then them not have no one whole heap of package pan them they boat there. We look like drugs. Go out there, nimble, with as little supplies as you can. Do not go out there with a whole heap of cooler, say you go cool no fish to come back to shore. No, leave them out in the boat. Don't cool them. Don't bring no cooler out there, my people. I go by the name Yard Boss once again, my people. Donald Trump is bombing more boats in the Caribbean Sea. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you the bombing, my people. Should fishermen be concerned? That is the big question, my people. And what exactly are the rules when these operations take place in the Caribbean Sea? Members of CARICOM, a lot of people they would say, boy, a big money badness are going on, we can't say nothing. Them did I do it the other day, you know. Run a Venezuela, run a Trinidad there, you know, my people. And then them come back again with more bombing this morning. Yes. What is the rules of operation in the Caribbean Sea? Does CARICOM have any say in the bombs being dropped in the Caribbean Sea? Does any international body have anything to say? Because normally, when law enforcement suspect that a boat is carrying drugs, the expectation is that the vessel would be intercepted, searched, the drugs seized, and the people aboard arrested. Those days, them gone. That is what we used to see, no? The Navy SEAL, them a jump on the submarine and them a jump on the boat and them a say, handle it. Hold up your hand in the air, don't move. Because if you move, a trouble, bullet you gonna get. No stick up no more. Once them suspects say drugs upon the boat, you gone home, gonna meet Jamaica. Because them a say, you send the drugs in the United States of America for kill off them brothers and them sisters. So, what about search, seize the drugs, and the people on board arrested? Those days are gone. Military operation, that is what we're seeing. Military operation is different, my people. And that is where I think a fair discussion can take place. What legal authority is being used? Probably none. I just big money badness are going right here, so the man with the biggest gun win. Are these boats considered an immediate threat to the United States of America? If you ask Donald Trump, And the man them where bomb them up, them say yes. A war them a come a United States of America with the drugs to kill off the people them. So a war with that. Cause that must be the conclusion. If you say you not go seize no more boats, you just go bomb them out of the sea. Are they operating in international waters? Caribbean Sea would be considered international waters. The United States of America don't control the Caribbean Sea. In the Strait of Florida, if the boat them they in the Strait of Florida now, then you can do whatever you want to because they're in United States water. But the Caribbean water where we there in a Jamaica and in a Venezuela and none the United States no control there, so. But to be quite honest with you, many would say, yard bar, shut up your mouth. The United States control anyway they want drop bomb. Nobody can say nothing about it, but people, I'm just covering the story of what is going on in the Caribbean Sea. Since 2026, I believe, my people, we have seen a policy switching from capturing drug traffickers, because remember, the people them who is actually transporting the drugs, they are low level. The big boss, them not depend no drug boat a transport, nothing. Right? So now Donald Trump said, we're not arrest you anymore. We're going to bomb you. What legal authorities are being used? Are these boats considered to be immediate threats? Are they operating in international waters? Are they stateless vessels? Are they armed? Yeah? Are warnings given before force is used? Me no see no warning a one. I no gunshot the man them a get bomb. You no see Donald Trump in the blasted fighter jet right there, so I drop the blasted bomb. Pandemic in the thumbnail. Are warnings being given? No, sir, before. Me no believe so. These are some questions that legal minds are asking, right? And asking those questions, does that mean that they're actually supporting drug traffickers? Because really and truly, a first time I can dip on the boat, Say I go pan the say I go want make a money, And him never make a dope in him life, And then boom! Him gone meet him maker. I say this to every single Jamaican fisherman. Yes, so we have a eat a food culture. But do me a beg, do not go pan no boat with no drugs, no gun, and say you go eat a food because you're not going to be able to eat the food. Once Donald Trump snipe you out of the water, I want to just know, say, the United States of America and Jamaica just signed a deal to have the soldiers them in and around Jamaica. So them a watch everything we are going. Them know we are going. So I want to peas, I want to cues. And go and make on one coke a full basket and stop run down fast money, because fast money is going to lead you to meeting a maker prematurely by a bomb from one of them the fighter jet they are, from one of them the ship that were float around in the Caribbean Sea, my people. Oh my son. Oh my son, my people, please like this video. And if this is the first time seeing me on your screen, my people, please subscribe to the channel. I go by the name Yard Boss, my people. No lies being told over here, my people. It simply means people want to understand how these operations work. Now I can also understand the other side. Drug cartels are not ordinary criminals. Some of these organizations have powerful weapons, high-speed boats, sophisticated communications, and billions of dollars behind them, my people. They move a massive amount of drugs across international borders. So the United States may believe stronger action is necessary to stop these organizations before the drug ever reach American shores, the people. And if intelligence confirms that a particular vessel is involved in trafficking, the government may argue that aggressive enforcement is necessary, i.e. a bomb dropping on one of them the boat there. me people, killing everybody with upon the boat, and all of the evidence gone, my people. But at the same time, many people would say transparency is extremely important because the Caribbean Sea is busy. A whole heap of ship, they all over the place. A whole heap of fishermen, they down there, and the fishermen them right now afraid. They're afraid. Yes, you have fishermen, you have commercial ships, you have tourists, you have private boats, and also you have military vessels from all over the Caribbean, my people. And people from Jamaica, Cuba, Haiti, the Dominican Republic, and many other countries moving throughout the region, my people. So naturally, ordinary fishermen may wonder whether they have anything to worry about. I would say yes. Them have a lot to worry about. You know, go out there and make sure, say, you don't have nothing will look like drugs pan them the boat them people because them now come search it. I wonder. Yes, I imagine there are identification procedures, surveillance, intelligence gathering, and other safeguards in place before any military action is taken. That is my assumption. Because it would be hard to believe, say, the man them just a blow out everything will look like a drug boat out of the sea. What do you think? Leave in the thoughts in the comment section and let me know. Yes? If our fishermen are safe, if all of the private vessels them in the Caribbean Sea is safe, let me know in the comment section. Am I raising too much of an alarm on this situation right here? Let me know, my people. Are military actions being taken because of intelligence, my people? Nobody wants an innocent fisherman boat to ever be mistaken for something else, my people. That is why clear rules matter. And for us in Jamaica, this conversation is especially important because the Caribbean is our backyard. That is where Jamaica is. Whatever happens in these waters can affect Jamaica, my people. It can affect tourism, fishing, shipping, regional security, and other relationships with the United States. So this is not about choosing sides, my people. This is actually covering the story. It is about understanding what is happening. It is simply an expansion of the war on drugs. Is it an expansion on the war on drugs? Is it a new military strategy against cartel? Leave in the thoughts in the comment section because we have a lot of highly educated, highly sophisticated people in the yard boss community who understand fully geopolitical warfare in the Caribbean area, my people, in the Caribbean Sea. So, only educate me as I go through this story right here. So, only leave in the thoughts in the comment section, my people, love and love alone, my people, is this a new military strategy against the cartel? And what law governs these operations, my people? Those are the questions I want to ask everybody that is actually watching this video right here. Because I think most reasonable people agree one thing. Drug trafficking needs to be stopped. It kills a whole heap of people. The debate is about the best and safe way to do it. So let me know what you think, my people. Do you believe stronger military action against drug traffickers is necessary? Or would you prefer to see these vessels intercepted and the suspect arrested whenever possible? Let me know because that was the way or it was done in the past, my people. And should Caribbean governments be given more information when these operations happen close to the region? Because right now it seems like, say, the Caribbean leaders don't have any say in whenever bombs are going to be dropping on these vessels. I go by the name Yard Boss, my people. Please like the video and please subscribe to the channel if this is your first time seeing me on your screen, my people. And leave your thoughts in the comment section, my people. Yes, let us take a look at the boat being bombed right here in the Caribbean Sea, the people. See it there right there, so. Pound on the screen. Let me put it on the big screen. You see it right there, so. Yes. See it right there, so. The boat I travel. It no look like nothing there on it. Could that be a fishing boat? Or is it sophisticated intelligence that tell them say that something depend that the boat there? Let's watch it again. See the right there, so it a travel in the Caribbean Sea. Everybody depend the boat alive right now. And then boom, striking on my people. That is a strike. A drone or one of them the fighter jet the inna the air, my people. Them no go with no coast guard for go arrest the people them. Them go and bomb them and blow them out of the water. Everybody in that the boat they dead. And every drugs with the pan that the boat they damage. Gone at the bottom of the Caribbean Sea. The boat, everybody gone. Them now go down, they go collect no evidence. Them just bomb them and that is it. Everything just dissolve and gone down in the water. And then the sharks them go nyam the what left. Boy, them the shark. No wonder why some of them the shark they mad sick, angry, head no good. Because a whole heap of cocaine in them seas. I wonder why the shark them so sick. And every time them see a human being, them want to yam it up. I be a cocaine there in them system. When one of them they boat they blow up and the package them fly all over the place. And the shark them hold it and yam it. I be mighty God of Daniel. Thank you guys so much for watching another video, my people. I go by the name Yard Boss. Love and love alone. I'll see you guys in another one, my people. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. I am out. I am out.